In this video, I am double looting the end loot on an infested installation Blue Ridge. Finding the place to dig can be tricky but is worth the effort. If this video has been helpful, please hit the like button. Loot details are in the description. I used a small crack in the rock and my orientation to the gates on the far fence as guides. If you dig down in the wrong place, just open up the area and look for the angle between the concrete walls where I dug down. You will alert zombies, but they won't be able to get to you.